Welcome to Voice Story Time!
Hey guys, Receipt Time here. Today I'm going to show you this Advent Calendar Farm World by Schleich. And today we're gonna open up all the surprises from box 1 to box 24. Okay, let's get started and open up the box number 1. Oh, we have a dog. I wonder what kind of breed this is. Well, it's not really identified in the box. Well, if you know, leave some comments. Okay, box number 2. Oh, we have a dog bowl. Okay, box number 3. We have a fence. Box number 4. Oh, we got a booklet. And it comes in different languages. This is cool. Then box number 5. Oh, we have another fence. Box number 6. We have a figure, a girl holding a carrot, and she has a bag. This is cute. Okay, number 7. Oh, we have stickers. Look at these are cute. There's a dog bowl, carrots, some fruits, and then box number 8. Oh, we have a vegetable. And then box number 9. We have a pitchfork. And box number 10. Oh, we have some grass. What is this? Well, if you know, leave some comments. And box number 11. We have another fence. Number 12. We have another booklet, and it comes in different languages too. Holidays at the farm. And then box number 13. Oh, we have a puppy. Oh, this is cute. Box number 14. Oh, we got a wicker pet basket. Then box number 15. We have a pet blanket. Box number 16. We have more stickers. Box number 17. We have a chicken. Box number 18. We have some berries. Box 19. We got more stickers. Box 20. We have a goat. Box number 21. Oh, we have a feeding bottle. Box 22. We have another fence. Box 23. We have some cow feed. Box number 24, the last one. And we got a cow. And now, let's arrange our little farm. Okay, those are the surprises we got from the Schleich Advent Calendar. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and click those thumbnails above to watch more fun videos here at Race Day Time. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.